All you'll need is a Torx T20 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and some work gloves. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, pause the video and follow these steps to gain access if needed. Again, if your dishwasher is an integrated model, the cabinet door will need to be removed from the dishwasher. On this model, it's held in by 4 T20 Torx screws found here. Some models will have rounded screws for the door and then flat screws that hold the control panel in place. Remove the 4 rounded top screws holding the cabinet door to the dishwasher. The cabinet door can then be detached from the dishwasher and placed to one side. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to lean the dishwasher on its back to make for easier access whilst filming. You should be able to keep your dishwasher upright when replacing the float, but if you're having trouble accessing it, remove it as per the instructions at the start of this video and tilt the machine. Pop a pair of work gloves on and then remove the 2 screws holding the kick plate or access panel in place. With a flathead screwdriver, lift the access panel up. If your dishwasher has a floor time light, unclip the electrical connector. Then remove the insulation and place it to one side. The float is located and attached to the dishwasher base tray. First, remove the float switch by simply pulling it away from the mounting bracket. The white polystyrene float is located underneath. When removing the polystyrene float, it may catch underneath the rear foot adjustment rod, as shown. Gently move it clear of the rod before lifting it out. Unpackage your new dishwasher float. Position the float so that the 2 holes slide over the mounting bracket for the float switch. Slide one side beneath the adjustment rod, then lower it into place. Attach the float switch to either side of the mounting bracket as shown. Press down firmly until it clicks into place. As part of the dishwasher's anti-flood protection system, the white float moves up, as shown here, and activates the switch if the base fills with water. Place the insulation back inside the dishwasher as shown, making sure to keep the floor time light wire accessible if you have one. If your machine has a floor time light and it was removed earlier, clip the electrical connector back in place. Reattach the kick plate, also called the access panel. Rescrew the 2 Torx T20 screws back in to hold the kick plate in place. Reattach the cabinet door to the dishwasher by the fixing brackets. Line up the screw end with the existing hole on the cabinet door and tighten. Repeat for the others. And that's it. Your new dishwasher float is all set to go.